Hey guys, this is Max from Anchor 23 Marketing Agency. This is the free website audit that I promised you guys. And a couple things real quick I'd like to point out. I like how your website has this chat with us, and then it also has your click to call phone number right there. I like that. It's really user friendly. Just makes it easy for people to set up an appointment with you. So the three main things that we're going to go over today is content, citation, and backlinks. So as far as your content goes, I took everything on here, I copied it, even what these pictures are saved as, and I put it in here. You guys have 916 words, right? And that's pretty good. However, in order to rank on Google, you're going to want 1,500 to 2,000 words. And in those words, you want to be rich with keywords. What's a keyword? And I'll show you this. This is your main keyword right here, roofers, New Orleans. It gets about 100 views or 100 searches a month, and it's relatively easy to look into. And I'll show you this right here. So I type that in, right? And this is the Google Map Pack, so you understand. We'll talk about this later. But these are the organic rankings, and BBB is there. You know, Home Advisor, Angie's List. That's good because knowing that they're there, I know that we can rank over them, and it'd be relatively easy for us to do that. However, I'm not seeing you guys on here at all. And I'll show you, as you see, that's the first page, right? And then we get to the second page, and you guys still aren't showing up, and there we are, right? So there you guys are on the back of the second page, and as you can tell, Google says you have 0 monthly visitors on your site, 0 traffic. So that's really not doing you guys so great for business. It's not going to boost y'all's business at all. However, we can help change that. Next thing that I did was I took this URL and I punched it in here, and I'll show you guys. Paste it there, exact URL, and I just looked into what you guys got. Okay. Okay, here we are. And so you guys have 46 backlinks, so it's just pretty decent, and that's coming from 28 different places. You would think that that's pretty good, you know, having 28 people give you 46 backlinks. However, the way Google sees it is they want one person giving you one powerful backlink in order to be relevant. So you really want these numbers to be closer. And then over here you see the health of your site. That's the same difference. You want these numbers to also be close. And obviously if you divided 16 by 0.5, it's nowhere close to equaling 1. Or 0.5 divided by 16, either way. They're not the same number. So you really want this to be a ratio of 1 to 1. I see you guys got 27 keywords throughout your entire website, and that's pretty decent. However, they could be really like non-relative keywords. Right? You want powerful keywords like the one that I just showed you, roofers, New Orleans. That's getting 100 hits a month. And of those, so then the next thing that I'll show you, if we go down to this Google Map Pack that I was talking about earlier, 65% of the 100 people that are searching for this keyword are going to click on this Google Map Pack, right? And so, how do you get in that? Well, you have citations. You also have to build out your GMB. What is a citation? It's your name, your address, and your phone number placed on various pages throughout Google, and then they see that you're relevant to your niche in your area, and they will put you up there. Of course, I'm educated on all this, and I can help you guys out. But really just, review what I'm saying and help yourself get more business through here. I really want to help you guys, so I hope this was helpful to you, and I do appreciate your time. Thank you.